Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like this, and this shows you basically all the toggles right here. Now these aren't all, we might need to add it. Let's just first see if we actually have our Do Not Disturb mode here. And yep, we do actually. There it is. So once you see this toggle, you can just simply tap on it, then navigate to settings, and you can see here we have the options to customize. Now these are, boy, are these like very limited options. So the only thing we can set here is the actual schedule, and you can add multiple, have them run through different weeks, different schedules. So if you're planning to do that, just click right here, choose whichever days of the week you want, and start time, end time, and click on the check mark. And now when you create one, it automatically becomes enabled. This you can have multiple. So now this will turn it on and off automatically based on your specified criteria. But for other people that just want to use it occasionally on random occasions, you can find this toggle and tap on the icon. Now I just want to show this once more, but first we have the Do Not Disturb, so you get this pop-up. Now we're going to select Do Not Show This again and choose Enable. Now going back here, not here, come on, there we go. When you click on the text, it opens up this page. If you click on the icon itself, the moon icon, it turns it on and off, as you can see. So from here you will need to remember, if you do it manually, to turn it on and off. And you can also do this kind of schedule modes right here quickly. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.